Hello everyone, my name is Nilesh, and in this video I'm going to talk about some interesting features of structured query language. As you know, SQL is one of the popular and easy language. However, if you are regular SQL developer, you will be agree that even though SQL is very easy, it is equally tricky. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some tricks of SQL and some really cool features of SQL which are usually ignored by general SQL developers. For this video, I'll be using MySQL version 8.0 onwards, and I'll be using some simple EMP table which most of us have used while learning SQL for first time. So here we go. Let me talk about the employee table that we have. This employee table, I have arranged all the data in a descending order of the salary for each department. And the problem statement is quite simple to find out the employees with the highest salary in each department. You will find that the king has got highest salary in department number 10. Scott and Ford has got highest salary in department number 20, and Blake has got a highest salary in department number 30. Just to add a little twist, I have added employee clerk in department number 10 with salary 3000, which happens to be highest salary in department number 20. To find out the highest salary, the easiest thing usually people try is to go with a group by query. With the group by query, definitely I will be able to find out the maximum salary in each department. However, our problem statement is to find out the employees with the maximum salary. I might think of getting these maximum salaries using group by query, putting it into a subquery, and then getting result of employee table just by using a simple query like this, where I'm getting the details from the employee table, where the salary is same as maximum salary for each department. If I execute this query, I will be able to get the result. However, I will also get the clerk whose salary is 3000 even though he is not highest in that department. And now we realize that even though problem seems to be simple, it is a bit tricky. How I can handle that? I think of using a join of the output of this group by query with my original EMP table. Can I do that? So I will go ahead and take a join statement. Take a join statement between employee table. Take a look at this, and with the output of this group by. Here the join is applied on department number and getting the employees whose salary is equal to department's maximum salary. Will this give me the result? Let me just take a look at. Oh yes, I got the accurate result. However, just to get the accurate result, we made this query much more complicated, because even though this query is doing join, you have used a join with a kind of a temporary table, or technically speaking, we call it as a derived table. This whole output of group by is considered as a derived table, and that is joined with employee. The question is, can we make this query bit more readable? Answer is yes, we can do that, and that can be done by using a feature called as a common table expression. This feature is added into the SQL standard by 1999. Let's go ahead and consider this table as a CTE, common table expression. It is declared using with keyword. Let me name CTE as DS. I'm using as to give alias, and it is alias for this table. Once I have done that, now it will be very easy to write a regular select query with join. So this is my regular join, and I'm trying to join DS with the employee table. So I can simply join DS with the employee on department number and trying to get all those employees whose salary is equal to department's maximum salary. Please note that this query is giving me the exactly same result. What we achieved over here is this is bit more efficient, and more than that, it is readable. Now my join looks like a join. However, the feature that I'm going to talk about is bit more advanced. That can I do the same work without writing a join query? Yes, that is also possible. In order to do that, I should think of using another concept called as window functions. Window functions are added into the SQL standard by year 2003. Using window function, we can divide employees in some partitions, and we can do several operations on that. Let me assign rank to each employee after dividing them department wise and sorting in descending order of the salary. If I try this query, then you will see that I'm getting rank for each employee for the department. King has got rank 1 in department 10, Blake has got rank 1 in department 30, and Scott and Ford, both of them have got same salary, so both of them have got rank 1 in department number 20. I guess now it makes it very simple. All I need to do is simply write a query where I can fetch the employees with rank 1. Here we can combine the window functions along with common table expression. This whole window function query, I can put it into a CTE by using with some CTE name as, and I'm putting this whole query there. Now from this flow query, I can select, I can select the records, employee number, e-name, salary, department number from the CTE name given as DS, but I said where the rank is equal to 1. Is it enough? Let us give a try and check, am I getting the correct answer? Oh yes, you are still getting a correct answer. Please appreciate that even though over here you are finding employee with the maximum salary, you can easily change to find employee with the second highest salary in each department, or for that sake employee with the third highest salary in each department. I hope these features are really cool and you found this information much useful. Thank you very much. Happy learning.